Want to change the language you are using with Grok AI? This video explains how in under 1 minute. I will also show you how to change the language in the interface of Grok. First, it is important to know that Grok is a multilingual AI, so you do not need to find a special setting. To change the language, you can simply start typing your prompts and questions in the language you want to use. Grok is designed to automatically detect the language you are typing in and will respond in that same language. For example, if you want a response in French, you just need to write your entire prompt in French. This works for a wide variety of different languages, so you can experiment to see which ones are supported. But if you want to change the interface to Grok, you can do this. Click on the bottom left icon where your profile picture is. Click on Settings. On the new window, you will see an option called Language. Click on Change. Select the language you want and just close the settings. You change the interface language on the Grok website. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.